Hi, welcome. Today we got the Vauxhall Astra 2016. Basically, customer follow YouTube channel and try to do the job. It's very good. He got the tool, this one, but he couldn't manage to do the job. He got the O2 sensor. I'm going to show you how we going to change O2 sensor number 2 or aftercat O2 sensor. Basically, I might be using blowtorch. I have a couple of size ratchet, and I have this one hammer, adjustable one, and hook, also WD-40. We'll see how am I going to do the job, and also I will give you nice tips, make it easy this job. Yeah, first of all I'm going to jack up the car and go underneath. It's easy for this side. Yeah, you go from this, try in the middle. Either way, doesn't matter. No, right. Okay. Okay. Right, what I'm going to do, I will jack up both sides, then I have a much space underneath. Leave access stand for the additional safety. Right, both sides jack it up. Leave access stand underneath. Okay, I can see bit of good place. This is the sensor too. First thing first, I'm going to spray bit WD-40 there. Ah, you put already. Yeah, I'll do a little bit more to make it life easy. Ah, right, okay. Right. Anyway, I'll done my one, because that's one very difficult to use the heat in there, because the it's close to the CV joint. Yeah, not CV joint, CV boot, drive shaft boot. Right. Okay. I'm going to use this tool and have a look how it will work. I think it's really tight. What I'm going to do, I'm going to little bit heat up and try to remove. I need to heat up until it gets red hot. I feel try now. Right, okay. We are done. Yeah. Ah, ah. Yeah, I can't touch anything at the moment. Right, it's turning now. I have to disconnect this clip. Right. It's very hot. Ah, okay. Yeah, this is the new one. Yeah, it's come with the grease layer. That's good. That's why I need it. If it not come with the grease layer, you have to apply with grease there. Right. Then tight it nicely. Right. Just do the hand tight. Make sure there is a cosh ring. Make sure it's cosh. Then after that you are fine. And I'm going to connect electrical connector. Right click. All nice and in. Yeah, job done. Right. Okay, coming to the end of the story. First thing, I use this tool. This one, when I use, I feeling you can see the this edges bit round up. Then once I notice it will round up, then I stop this tool use, because this tool not going to do the job. Then after that I try this tool. This tool sit on nicely this way. Then I try, even it's so hard. Then after that I don't have any option. Then I went to the my third solution, using blowtorch. This is the good one. If you want someone, buy this one. It's doing the good job. To be honest, if I don't have this one, I can't remove this sensor. Yeah, right tool for right job. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, let me know. This is the tips. Try to use one tool. If that tool feeling not work, then better to not to use that one. Otherwise, if round up this head, then no one able to remove this one. It's bit hassle. Be careful. If you don't know something how to do, better to contact specialists. They have a proper tool. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.